2004 Alfa Romeo GTV 2.0 JTS for sale. Reluctantly, but has to go. I've just invested in a new unit for my camper van and modern classics business. And this definitely is one. Gorgeous car. Really good body, excellent alloys. I don't think they're scuffed actually anywhere. Good tyres. It's a phase 3. It's quite rare, 2004. It must be one of the last made. I think I've seen a 05 once before. 4 keys. Edge trim's still good. Seats excellent, no bolster wear. Really nice inside, showing a few signs of wear obviously, but not much. Especially considering it's a 2004 car. Let's jump back in there in a second actually. I'm going to take it for a drive, do a sort of drive with the car as well. I've put a new badge on the back. That was the usual sort of faded to blue, but there you go. Your spare there, you've got the Alfa GTV toolkit still there. Really like that. Boot's good. One small stain, normal. Love that on these. Cracking driving position. Windows shut properly. Everything works amazingly. That was a rare find. I don't think I've found anything that doesn't yet, which is very odd. Aircon, CD, radio. I've got to put the code back in that. Hopefully it's in the book. That'll be just added to the video later. It runs absolutely excellent. I've serviced it. Should have a full MOT on it in the next couple of days. That's in the eBay listing actually. Gearbox excellent, just superb car. Also going to the National Alfa Day at Bicester on the 20th of August with this car. Go around again with the sun out. Oh, look at that, what a cracking looking car. Definitely one of my favourite Alfas. I'm sorry to see it go, to be honest, but I can only insure 6 vehicles at a time on the trade policy I've got. Paintwork's in really good condition. A few little tiny little bits here and there, but I'd rather leave them. You can go too far and it looks worse. Right, I'll do a quick video of the engine bay and then we'll go for a drive. All good here, water's up, all the fluids are up. There's one of the, that's only 600 miles ago actually, the belt was changed. I think there's one at 30, there's receipts for that in the paperwork, including the original build sheet from Pininfarina. The later, I think, could be corrected here, but I think all the phase 3s were built in the Pininfarina factory. Is that good or bad? Don't know. I suppose it is. Okay, so we'll go for a drive. Hopefully this turns out okay. Kind of pointed the camera in the right direction. Did a bit of a test. Hopefully it's picking up the sound it did stationary. Just going to take it out into some country lanes miles. Drives absolutely perfect. It's great to get back in this. Never had a GTV before. First Alfa I had was in 1987, Alfa Sud. Ended up having 5 Alfa Suds, Giulietta 83, 2-litre GTV. Nothing drives like them. Well, if you're watching this or thinking of buying it, you know that. But I get annoyed actually when people pick at Alfas and they're saying, well, this is wrong, and why is the electric windows switch there and they go wrong, and yeah, they do. You know, go and buy a BMW or Audi. I've done that, and yes, they're better, but it's not the same as an Alfa. I don't know what it is, they're just addictive. And with my business I do obviously camper vans, but I should be looking for the sort of modern classics, more Alfas, GTIs. I can insure anything up to 30 years old, so I think I'll just get in with the Mark IIs, the Peugeots maybe, just Mazdas, Mercedes, the BMZs. I'll be looking out for all of this stuff. So yeah, the Alfas are gorgeous. I've serviced it, put the correct twin electrode plugs in. Run a lot better with that. Two-litre JTS engine. Some say that twin spark is better. I don't know, I've never had a twin spark, but this is 165 bhp. Goes well. Good on fuel actually for an Alfa really. Some of them are not that good. Quiet as well. A little bit of wind noise from the door because it's a frameless door. It's probably just down to the age of the window rubbers. Just go up here. Tired of that. Is it actually in the speed limit? They're cracking for that. I mean, you can get some really rapid cars, but you know, 3-5 seconds you're over the limit. It gets a bit boring. Right, I'm just going to check that this video is taken, and then I'll continue the drive. Okay, that came out okay, so I'll make the most of this while I've still got it. Intending to keep it for a bit longer, but like I say, I've got to clear the stock a bit for start the camper van business. Alfa and Lancia. Probably more reliable. Speaking of which, that was a cracking car I had in, I don't know, 80 something. Lancia Beta Volume X supercharged. That was amazing. Unreliable, heavy on fuel, too much insurance. Managed to keep that in one piece as well. The best Alfa I had was a 15 SC Midnight Blue. No, 13 SC Midnight Blue, and that was a great car. But I managed to wrap it around a lamppost, and still got a pin in my leg now from doing it. Hopefully get past. Yeah, I got a pin in my leg from wrapping an Alfa sud round a tree, so as soon as I could walk again I went out and bought another Alfa sud. They were great, fantastic handling cars. I was going to go back that way, but I think I'll go this way. Do for the drive. I'm listing the car on eBay today, which is 13th August 23, and taking it to the National Alfa Day in Bicester on the 20th of August. That's normally a good show. I remember that back years ago at Stanford Hall, north of Rugby, and I've not been to an Alfa Day for 20 years, so yeah, nice to see some of the original stuff that's there that I used to see, hopefully. I wonder how many Alfa suds I left. Phase 3 GTVs left now. Since I've been driving this for a couple of months, I've not even seen a GTV. In fact, I've seen one of the older ones. I think it was a red A plate, 83 maybe. Okay, that's the end of this video. I can deliver nationwide. I've still got tax on it. I'll deliver for the cost of the fuel, the train journey back. The further away you are, the better. It means I've got longer to drive it. Till next time.